Hello everyone, my name is Mira Johnson and this is week 7 of the New American Speaker Program homework video. And this week we're making a video with a poem about our name. So here we go. My name is Mira Johnson Marchani Marrero. I was once told that my name meant still standing. Yamira, still standing. It makes sense since my innocence was taken by abuse and neglect. I've been through the storm, through the fire, through the desert. I walked through the valley of death. And here I am, still standing. I've been beaten, left behind, forgotten, overlooked, and left for dead. Don't lose hope, they said. And here I am, still standing. I was lost in the world, and then I was found by my Creator. He pulled me from the pit, picked me up, showered me with faith, hope, and love. The greatest love. My cry was changed to dancing when one day I heard him say, "Look up, you're my child, and I've got good plans for you." Now open your eyes and see, Yamira, you are still standing. Thank you for watching.